Hello everyone, my name is Laura and today I'm gonna read some sentences highlighting the word stress and syllable stress. The first one is the airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. The second one is the airplane circled around the airport waiting patiently to receive permission to land. And the last one is the moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no life of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. And that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye.